Christmas illness was a jolly sneezy soul with a red runny nose and a cough that blows like a sleigh bell on patrol.
Achoo, achoo.
We came to town one winter day just looking for some cheer, but by the end of Christmas Eve he'd spread it far and near.
Ho, ho, ho's the Christmas illness brings joy and cheer. With a sniff and a cough and a laugh so soft he's the spirit we all fear. Sniff, cough, cough.
He danced around the Christmas tree with tissues in each hand. He blessed each child with watery eyes and noses red and grand. We love you, Sniffles! There must have been some magic in that peppermint he sneezed, for every time he sniffed real hard the whole room whizzed and wheezed. Dead,
He,
cough, hee,
ho. Sniffles, the Christmas illness
knew his visit couldn't stay, so he waved achoo and said adieu, and he'll be back next holiday.
But oh, Sniffles, the Christmas illness brings warmth
And fevers too.
So bundle tight, hold your tissues right, he's spreading cheer to you.
Bye-bye, Sniffles. See you next year. Shoo, shoo.